Sichuan Aitong Wire and Cable Inc. is the data and signal transmission cable manufacturer in the southwest of China. Aitong has been highly praised by customers with superior quality, short delivery time, professional ODM and OEM service, and the most advanced technology. We have built an integrated quality control system from raw materials to finished products and deployed quality testing. Every part of producing procedure to ensure our quality. 100% meets standards before delivery. For 22 years since 1998, Aitong is specialized in manufacturing wire and cable. As a professional cable supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Our company has large numbers of production equipment and testing equipment with the advanced international level. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certificates, etc. We offer optical, fiber cable, coaxial cable, and network cable, which can be widely applied in areas such as telecom, mobile system, network, broadcast, railway, security, and so on. Aitong always commits itself to the provision of advanced ultra-high-speed network service for customers with competitive pricing as well as cultivate top-ranking talents. Ensure quality, the pursuit of excellence. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.